little gems and welcome back to my channel. So before we get into the videos, quickly do the old spill. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of this kit. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. So I have a unboxing for you from Touch of Soul. I'll link their Facebook and everything down below. So basically, just quickly give you a bit of background for this. My wonderful friend Shez, the Magic of Time, has been licensed to them, and Touch of Soul offers their artists a free kit when she licenses them. So Shez, she loves diamond painting, she really does, but she doesn't have time of trying to do all the artwork and all that to actually sit down and actually do the kits. So she said, could you send it to my friend Gemma instead, and she'll do a full unboxing and everything. And yes, then that way I get to show you the artwork and everything, and Shez gets to, and I'll, you know, and Shez has very, very nicely asked them to send it to me instead, which I do feel extremely lucky, extremely lucky that, you know, she asked them to send it to me instead. And so, yeah, I don't know what it is or nothing. That's been kept a secret. So, yeah, really am excited. I can't wait to see what's in this. And, yeah, so Shez has been licensed to Touch of Soul as well. So, yeah, and this arrived yesterday afternoon, but obviously I was in bed, and then I took it in, I went back to bed, and I forgot to unbox it before I went to work. So I was like, I thought I'd just double check, make sure this is the one that Shez asked them to send to me, and it is. So yeah, so I'm super duper excited. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Doesn't look like it. Touch of the Soul. So I keep calling it Touch of Soul. It's Touch of the Soul. So yeah, I don't know what I'm getting or nothing. I think this is a mental health awareness piece. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to show you guys yet. I'm not going to show you guys yet. I'm not going to show you guys yet. Oh my gosh. Shez knows me very well, and she knows exactly what I like. Let's get the drills out and toolkit. We'll look at the toolkit in a second. Oh, I like that touch too. Right, okay, this is going to be a very exciting kit. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. That is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is the artwork is by the artist The Magic of Time. That's her handle, and her name is Cheryl Carpenter, and the artwork is called Stronger Than Yesterday. That is absolutely stunning. Honestly, we have 47 colours, and I can see some ABs. This is a round drill, and yeah, I'm so excited. Let's quickly do the old toolkit before I get into everything else. So our toolkit, it looks like quite a nice toolkit as well. So we have our peat wax, and I like it when they come in these little containers, because it keeps it fresh for longer. And there's 3 bits. I'm really sorry, my hands are filthy. I haven't long got in from work. So yeah, 3 bits of wax in that, which is going to come in very handy, because I get through wax very quickly. We have a very nice purple set of tweezers. I do like tweezers like that. We have a clear pen with a purple gripper. And we get the older style multi-placers with this. We get the 3 and the, I think this is a 7. We get some baggies, which always come in handy. And we got, and I'm collecting these because I need to make another bead curtain for my sister. So yeah, we got a white tray. So it's a very nice cool toolkit, I have to say. Really is. Just quickly put all this away. Those tweezers look lovely. Right, so yeah, they have sticker sheets. I don't know about anyone else, but I get so excited when it comes on sticker sheets. I really do. Because it makes life so much easier kitting up. And they are very long sticker sheets, but you can easily just cut along, as you can see. But yeah, I love it when we come with sticker sheets. So I will cut here to stick them on my pots. So yeah, really, really nice. And then you also get, which I also think is a very good idea, because I do like to have like this part, like this, sat next to me, so I can see exactly what number I need next if I can't see the edges of the canvas. So I do like that touch as well, that we get the paper sheet and we get the sticker sheet. I like that. I really do like that little touch. I know it might be just a little touch for some people, but that is like really nice, you know, because like I said, I like to have the bit of paper next to me so I can see what, without having to lean over, trying to see roughly whereabouts in my storage like I've got one of those like suitcase ones, like those case ones with little round pots, so I can see, oh, it's going to be roughly here. So yeah, so we have got 3 ABs with this. Very nice purple. And then 2 reds, a darker red and a brighter red. Oh, there we go. And just in case I was off camera, there's our purple. And we got a lot of 310s. This is a round drill, just in case I didn't. So I think I did say. So we've got lots and lots and lots. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of 310s. And in total, we have got 40,678 310s. So I love the 310s. Good job, I like 310s, isn't it? So yeah, look, that's a gorgeous purple. Absolutely gorgeous purple. A lot of different colours in this as well. I like that. We've got a lot of colours. I like the purples and all stuff like that. So that is absolutely stunning. Drills do look extremely nice quality, and I'll show you underneath. We've got a nice variety of colours here. Right, let's get onto the canvas. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous kit, I have to say so. Absolutely stunning. Shez knows what I like, you know. She really does know what I like. And this is a 75 by 75. I know I have said that. Let's check the stickiness. Feels nice and sticky. Just check that up. Yeah. Feels very nice. Sit that back down. And the drill field, let's look at the drill field. That is a very nice, oh. Let's go around to her face part so you can see it all properly. So yeah, we have a very, very nice clear drill field. It really is very nice and clear. It's always hard to show kits, I find, for the close-up. But I will, what I'll do is insert right now a nice close-up of like everything, so you can see it all properly. So yeah, we've got all loads of butterflies all around the outside. And you've got a girl here. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It really, really is. I feel so lucky. Thank you so much, Jez. Thank you so much to the guys at Touch the Soul Arts. Honestly, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I feel so lucky. I really do. Absolutely stunning. I can't believe the size either. I wasn't expecting, like, because obviously Shez did tell me I was getting a kit, and I didn't expect it to be so big at all. I feel so lucky. I really do. So it's going to come out absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to see how this comes out. So I'm really looking forward to doing it. And I'm going to, yeah, so I'll put down all the information. I'll put down Shez's, all her social medias and everything. And I'll put down all the information for Touch of Soul Arts. Once I've finished my one I'm working at the moment, I am going to get straight onto this one. So yeah, to do a full review and everything, because I think obviously I should go ahead and do a full review straight away. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I'm so pleased with it. And yeah, so for like you confetti lovers, you know, there isn't much confetti in it, which for me, I'm not a confetti person. I will do a bit of confetti. I don't mind some confetti, but I'm more of a block girl. So with this, I don't mind, because obviously, and what I might do is when I'm doing it, I might swap out the U's that's dotted all over for some black 310s. I think that will look really good as well, just to bring out that bit more extra sparkle. I think that would be cool. What do you guys think about that idea? Let me know below in the old comments. I think that would be wicked if I swapped out, because obviously the reds are here, and I reckon that purple is like 45. Yeah, so this funny little symbol here is the AB. So we've got AB there, and we've got AB in her lips, completely in her lips. So that's going to look awesome as well. So I think what I might do as well, just to make it a bit more blingy, is I might swap out all the U's. How many of them have I got? So what I might do just for the background is swap out the U's for the 310 black the 310 ABs, and it'd be proper sparkly. I think that would look really cool. What do you think? Let me know in the old comments if you think that would be a good idea. Yeah, so that is it for this video. I feel extremely lucky. Thank you ever so much, Shez and Touch of Soul Arts. I'm such a lucky girl. I'm absolutely in love with this kit. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So when this kit is done, it will be going on my wall. I'm going to have to try and figure out what I'm going to be doing with my walls. So yeah, but this definitely will be going on my walls. So yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below of what you think. Give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Bye everyone.